What are y'all doing? Chris, are you doing garden work? You know you're not supposed to be in there. You made a big mess last time. Yes, you did. Y'all just chilling out. Look at that mess that y'all did. Thank goodness I don't have no flowers in there. Yeah. I'm glad I don't got no flowers in there. You gonna go dig some more? Huh? You gonna dig some more? Hi, Ollie. What y'all doing? You just hanging out and chilling out? Hmm? Yeah. You just chilling out. What, Bubba? You gonna stay in there? Huh? You gonna come out? Chris, are you gonna come out? You gonna go dig some more? You gonna dig some more? Why are you in my flower pot? Are you looking for weeds? What are y'all doing? Just resting. So we're just resting. Oh my goodness, y'all stretching. Morning stretch. Yep. What are you doing, bub? What are you doing? Say, oh, you're coming a little bit too close. I don't want you touching me. I'm not in front of the ladies. They're my girls. They're my girls. Morning resting spot on the deck. Every place that they can go, they go on the deck. Whoa. That was a good fly, bub. Yeah. Y'all just gonna hang out? You gonna hang up there now too? Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, stinker? What are you doing, babies? Say good morning, everybody.